We have all heard the name St. Jude. We know it's a hospital that helps sick kids. We have all seen the infomercials and thought to ourselves, that's really sad. And then went on with our day as usual, maybe even thinking, if I was rich, I would help them. Or, geez, I can barely pay my bills right now. How could I take on another one? The thing is, you don't have to be rich. Not even close to it. Being a St. Jude supporter for about 15 years now, what I want to make you understand is that the parents and children in this hospital didn't do anything wrong to get there. They're not bad people. They didn't abuse drugs when they were pregnant. It's not bad karma coming back to them. They simply drew a very unlucky card in life to have a sick child. And for those of us who drew that lucky card, for those of us who do not have to worry about losing our child, or losing our home and everything in it, trying to save our child, and not even knowing the outcome. For those of us who drew that lucky card, we have a moral obligation to help, to get off our ass and help those people who worry day in and day out about losing their child. Let's start with some of the problems St. Jude faces. Understand the cause and see why we are the solution. Did you know that the patients of St. Jude never even receive a bill? The ones with insurance never pay the insurance overages, and the ones without insurance simply receive free medical care for their children. St. Jude.org says that it takes $1.8 million a day to run St. Jude. This is not just for treatment. St. Jude is also one of the leading research and teaching hospitals in America. Hospitals from all over the world call St. Jude for consults on some of their toughest pediatric cases. Yet the staff at St. Jude is one of the lowest paid hospital staffs in the U.S. Also, St. Jude is the first hospital ever to combine doctors and scientists under one roof, working together for a cure. Seems almost logical, doesn't it? They're the first hospital to come up with this scientist, the people creating the cure and the people delivering it to the patients. According to the National Journal of Cancer, St. Jude has 78 inpatient beds, yet they treat 264 patients a day. That means that after harsh treatments such as chemo and radiation, that children are sent to recover in hotel rooms or the Ronald McDonald House without the help of any doctors or nurses, simply because there is not enough room for them in the hospital. America is one of the richest, most medically advanced countries in the world, so why do we have so many children dying every day? In the Journal of Medical Economics, it states that in America, approximately 11,000 children under the age of 15 are diagnosed with cancer a year, and about 1,600 of those children will die. Although this makes cancer the leading cause of death among children in the U.S., their chances are greatly improved if they get to a hospital such as St. Jude. The Journal of Experimental Medicine said that in 1962, the survival rate for acute lymphoblastic leukemia was 4%. Today, that survival rate is 94%, thanks to the treatments and protocols developed at St. Jude. And it's not just the acute lymphoblastic. All cancers have been greatly improved. Most up to 50% better. So we know the answer for sick kids is St. Jude. But what is the answer for St. Jude? It's us. It's you, and I. We are the solution. Although writing a donation check every month, or when you can, is extremely helpful, there are many other ways to donate. For instance, if you go out to eat in the month of September, go to Chili's, Most of the cost of your dinner will go to St. Jude in honor of Cancer Awareness Month. Also, one of the easiest ways is to shop from the St. Jude catalog online, where they have many name brand designers, name brand gifts, toys, really a gift for any occasion. So, why not buy your Christmas gift or your birthday gift from there? You have to buy them anyways. So why not buy them from a place that you know all the profit goes to help sick children? So really, what do you have to lose? If anything, you will gain that good feeling you get when you know you have done the right thing, when you know you have fulfilled your moral obligation. So if you're one of those lucky ones, one of the lucky ones that drew that lucky card to have a healthy child, and now you know the problems that St. Jude faces and what causes them, and that you are the solution, are you going to ignore it, or are you going to become part of the solution?